I learned that lesson this week of learning to not worry. My friend and I were given a project due Tuesday, and I was really worked up about it. And I got so built up of this worry and this anxiety that I blew up on him, and I felt horrible afterward for the way I treated him. I went home and I read Matthew, and it said, "Therefore I tell you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or drink, or about your body, what you will wear. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothes? Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they? Can any one of you, by worrying, add a single hour to your life?" Like Joey was saying, it leads to death. It doesn't add an hour of our life. It takes away. It's a waste of time because God is our provider, right? He's Nisi, our banner, and He provides for us. And so I wanted to share that. If any of you are struggling with anxiety or worry over something, give it up to God. And at the end of that story I wanted to finish was that because I gave it up to Him, He gave me an opportunity to go back and fix that mistake I made. So if you've made a mistake because of your fear or your doubt or your worry, God's giving you an opportunity to fix it, to go back, to make changes, and to move forward with the